Okay, friends, so we are starting with the second part of MS Word shortcuts. And here we will be learning more interesting shortcuts. And here is the complete list of the shortcuts. So apply and remove superscript. You know what is subscript and superscript? Huh? Like, for example, I came over here. You have this 19th. This is your superscript. So what happens? Let's say I'm just giving one example. I came over here and you type any date. Let's say, for example, I type 24 and let's say, for example, TH. You see, I'm pressing a space bar, everybody. As soon as you press space bar, automatically it will become superscript. It will become small. But let's say sometime it does not become and it is TH like this only. Or you get this file from somebody or MS Text, MS Notepad file, and it's not happening, then what you should do? Then here you should use this shortcut, that is Control Shift equal. So I select this, both this, only TH you will select and you say Control Shift plus, and wow, it has become superscript. So in the same way you can do subscript also, but this is regularly used, so I have put this. So this is one shortcut which you all should know. So what I will do, I will just copy this quickly and paste it over here. So this is my 10th shortcut for you. Okay, I remove this, something like this, and let's say now one more very interesting thing, that is a concept of copy paste. So till now, friends, you have done copy paste, but in Word, you will see something very different. And that is not just Control C and Control V, but Control Shift C and Control Shift V. Copy formatting, not the data. What is that? So I came over here and for example, I select this junior marketing. And let's say I'm just putting some color to it. And let's say it should be green and it should be bold, just giving you the example. And I came over here and the font should be, let's say, Abadi, for example. And this is something like, I think bold is too much. So, oh, I think it needs to be. So I put this also. Okay, khalas. So let's say I have put, and I'm putting the underline also. Huh? Let's say underline, khalas. Now you have given one formatting to this text. Now I want this same formatting. I want it on this option marketing specialist and also on my resume and also on qualification. How do you do that? The one way, which is a very famous way, is this. You select it and you do format painter and you go on painting that, right? Pasting that. Here you can do one more thing. Select this and press Control Shift C. When you say Control Shift C, it copies only the formatting, not the text. And then I say, hey, I select this marketing assistant and I say Control Shift V. And wow, my formatting has been pasted. I select marketing specialist and I say Control or Control Shift V. Again, I select the qualification, Control Shift V. This way you can do it. Wait, give me a minute. This way you can use a shortcut, but this same thing you can even do with the help of Format Painter. Let me show you that as well. So the first step is I will select the junior marketing and I click on Format Painter. Till now you click and you do like this. You select and you click on grocery. It is done. But then now you can't do it on, let's say, summer. Again, you have to go here. Again, you have to click. But there is a concept of double click. This is very, very important. So I came on junior marketing and I click on Format Painter not once, but twice. So I double click on Format Painter. That's all. When you double click on Format Painter, it gets locked. And now you just go on clicking. So I say grocery, halas. I click on summer, done. I click on marketing, done. I say broader audience. So I select this. So you just double click on that and it gets locked, and then you go on pasting that formatting on others. So it's up to you what you find easy and more interesting and more fun to do, you do that. I really love Format Painter. So you have to take a mouse, double click, and go on clicking. But you also have a Control Shift C and Control Shift V, friends. Okay. So now what topics you will practice? First, you will practice the concept of TH, and you will press Control Shift plus for that. Second, you will press Control Shift C, Control Shift V. And the third, you will use a Format Painter with double click. Okay. Practice it. When done, put it under the chat box. Done. Thank you.